We like this trap actually. Oh, nope. Got in a little too late. I'm just gonna take that break even. I don't like it anymore. Good morning, everyone. How are we doing? My allergies are pretty heavy today, but we'll get through it. Pedro, good morning. No trades for me yet. Really like this long, but just don't want to keep chasing it. Keep chasing price, yeah. Very easy to lose money when you chase. It's been very choppy. So I'm gonna try not to chase much. I'm gonna try to buy dips in this price. So when we dip again, I'm gonna try to buy that. I keep buying into resistance. It's gonna probably go without me, and that's just poor execution on my end. But if it's been very choppy, that's why I haven't taken any trades yet. This was my first trade that I just took now. This was pretty clean after in hindsight, but it looked like it wanted to break down, and yeah, tight stop loss again in this chop just doesn't work. We don't have any news at 10, do we? Let me check trading. No news, okay. I have to end the stream early today too, so hopefully we finish the day green. Very choppy, very choppy. Perfect for scalping. I mean, if you're a scalper, you're living the dream right now. That's when I was doing so well. That's when I was scalping so well, because no matter what you buy, you're always gonna be able to get a nice profit. There's a lot of whip in the candles. There's times where there's no whip. The candles just close at the top and just keep going higher, lower. There's like no whippiness, and that's when it's hard to scalp. Damn. So I was right here. It's just my stop was not good. Oh man. That's the shitty part about stops. When they stop you out and they don't protect you. How you guys doing though? PPI was crappy as well. Hmm. This is what I was what I would be expecting before the news, not after news. Like yesterday, you know, this is what I kind of expected yesterday with FOMC and yeah, patience for sure. Like I was patient at the open, I didn't take anything, and then so holding the moving average higher low, figuring maybe with this wick trap it will go, but gotta wait to the low of the day. I mean, I would love a red day. I mean, if the market could just roll over, that would be very nice. Kind of like it did here. Such a clean move after, 5 a.m. I know some people trade just after hours, overnight. Getting close to payouts on 11 accounts, very nice. I activated my 19th account, so I have 19 now. Or I'm not sure why that's showing up. I would message them because I don't know what that means. I've never had that issue. I've actually never heard of anyone say that. Francis, I mean, I would be silly, right? I mean, I'm doing it too. I got in here, I got out because I didn't like it, and I don't know. I hope they don't take those trades against us. It shouldn't be because they'll see the winners. It'll be an issue if they don't see any big winners, if they don't see any 15 tick winners. But 15 ticks you're scalping, so it should be fine. See, just buy the dip and get a few ticks. Can't chase, can't chase. Gotta buy red pullbacks. No, you would just submit a ticket on the website. There's no email. Hmm. See, redirect there. Definitely got a little bit of a trading range right there. Oh, definitely no clear direction. It's honestly really bad. Makes me just want to scalp for 7 ticks again. Can we get a breakdown here, please? Because this was all-time high again on PPI, so it's like maybe it's time to roll over now. Okay. This dip buy would have been good. I don't know why I have a feeling this is gonna be a bearish day. So I'm scared to long. Missed it. So tough. So tough when you're so scared. You start overthinking stuff. Like I wanted, like when we were up here, I wanted to retest the lows, but once we got to the lows, I'm like, you know what? Maybe this is gonna break down today, and didn't take the trade. Easy trades when you look in hindsight, right? Support, clear buy up, beautiful dip here. I don't know. I still struggle with confidence on choppy days. And these used to be my favorite days. This is where I would make my biggest profits because the chop was just amazing. Well, Missed that. So now it's probably no more trades for the day because I gotta leave at 11:30. We'll see what happens. Disappointed. I don't know why I have so much fear. I think getting closer to payout. But we're just gonna keep making new highs or what? I did receive my payout today, by the way, from Apex. So tempted to long off the moving average. But in choppy market, probably not a good idea. We have a big downtrending line here too. Probably gonna just reject. Okay, maybe. Such a tight range. This is pretty bad price action. I took one trade in the middle of all of it. Kind of terrible. But it's crazy how like I lost 30 ticks in seconds. I wish I could win 30 ticks that quick. I have an appointment with my accountant at 12, so I gotta end the stream like 11:30ish. I gotta do my estimated taxes and one more thing. Again, I was expecting this price action to be here yesterday and maybe day before. But after news, you would think that it would clear up a little bit. I am green on my Bullnox account at least. Even though the opening trade wasn't easy. Jay, good morning. Yeah, Oren, I would just send him a ticket. There must be some, with all the resetting and all that stuff, there must be some kind of glitch. Did some people get... Some people said they were getting ghost orders on my Discord. Payout approved. Very nice. I received my money today. In the bank. Of course, today I doubled up my size and I took a loss already. On some of the accounts, like this account and this account, they were doubled, but these two, I doubled them first time. Well, this is a brand new account actually. Wow, this price action is horrible. Have you ever been denied a payout from Apex? I have not been denied ever. Prior to May of this year, if you didn't break the 30% consistency rule, the flipping rule of 20%, or you didn't windfall, you didn't get denied. And I happened to lose most of my accounts in May. Like all these accounts were pretty much restarted except few. So like all the DCI and the opening trade, that's gone of these accounts. These accounts are like a fresh slate, so I shouldn't have any problems. All right, let's see. Can we get out of this freaking range? Jay, well, you might want to count your blessings. But congrats to you, Jay. That's awesome. Okay. X Trader is just a hater. He's got nothing better to do with his life, so spams. X Trader, how much did you pull out of Top Step and Ball Knocks and My Funded Futures? Where have you been wrong? I never got denied a payout. You want me to send some of this to you, or are you good? Or did you get paid from My Funded Futures and Top Step and Take Profit Trader? Where are your payouts? Nothing happened to Apex. Okay, send me a proof. And then send me a proof of you getting denied from Apex. Well, I'm imagining all the people that have gotten paid. You're focused on the wrong things, my friend. People didn't get paid for DCA, so I mean, I'm not promoting either. I trade with every prop firm. I have a affiliate code, so if people want to support the stream, they could support it. It's not a promotional. I don't get paid by Apex. I get paid by affiliates. I could have been paid by Top Step on a monthly basis if I wanted to. I could have been paid by My Funded Futures if I wanted to, but I know I could make more money on trading 20 accounts than they would pay me monthly to promote them. But that's the end of the conversation. You're not going to approve it, then you're not going to talk. You're lucky I haven't banned you. I mean, not lucky. I mean, who cares, right? But all right, well, we're finally getting that sell-off that I was afraid of here. Side of first green candle. Of course, just get in the top. Nope. Just not going. Yeah. Can't get like a straight move, you know, like that's what I need. I need a move that I get in and just goes because too much risk otherwise. Maybe it's time to short finally after all these days. But I'm gonna give it more time to break down these lows and then yeah, that's That's probably the final support till we get to like 550s. If it holds, one more try. I don't know why I have a tendency to get in at the top of the candle. Like, it just moved up from 50 ticks, right? So it moves up 50 ticks, and I get in at the top of that candle. Probably one more trade and I'll be done. If I lose, don't want to risk a lot more than I win on an average day. And I have a short day today, so. I know the reversal will come, it's just. No issues on my end. Just issues with trading poorly. It broke the low, instantly it gets sold off. Alright guys, it's gonna be it if I lose on this. Oh and 3 strikeout. Alright, I'm done. I'm not gonna lose a lot more than I win on an average day, so not my day today. Just can't read anything. And I have an appointment with my tax professional, so I'm done. Is it okay to trade 30-year bond auction? Probably. That's not like a major news. Okay, market. Thanks. Okay, maybe we'll take one more trade because I think the reversal is gonna come. It's gotta be an obvious one, but that's what happens when you try to find a bottom without any sort of support. But the problem is, last 2 days I missed the easy trade, right? I missed the where was it? Like, I missed this trade, you know, because I'm waiting for some kind of setup, and then you get this reversal. Like, that's the problem. It's one day this works, one day this works, and it's the day it works the way you're afraid to take it. The next day you take it the way it worked last time, it doesn't work this time, right? There's no It's a lot of traps. I mean, that's just NASDAQ for you. It's very hard to find something that works all the time. Bummer though, bummer. Just very hard to make it to payout without having every single green day, right? So if I don't have bigger days, I will not be able to get to payout this payout window. Well, we'll see. Maybe I got another like hour, so we'll see. But Rogue, I just told you why. Last 2 days, I missed a big trade because I waited for confirmation and there was none. Then it was too late to jump in, you know? So that's why I did it. I mean, you could look at it as like, you know, I tried to do it way too low, so because I don't want to chase. So maybe that's what you mean by confirmation. But today might be a red day. I mean, today might be I mean, we haven't had a red day in a while on the daily, I think. Yeah. I mean, we just went up 700 points last 3 days, so maybe today is the time to let it cool off. Seven. Yeah, it seems like there's no support today anymore. I think the longs are giving up now. So we're gonna do one more try, but short this time. If we get some kind of like a trap. Unless it just sells off. But in this instance, I'm glad I used stops, you know, so it's not too bad. It's also fair to say that once the range got broken, the stops, you know, the reversal, the range is gone now, so I shouldn't be buying up there. Oh, Snicker, no. I unfortunately will have a hard time getting to the payout on the 20th with a red day like this. But heading down to yesterday's low, I don't know. That's a long way. But see, like now I short, and now the candles, and see now, see, I don't understand. That's how you know you're completely wrong on the day. When you get in long, the candle reverses instantly. When you get short, that's the bottom, and that's, oh, so frustrating. All right, guys, that's it. No more trading for me. 0-4, that's as bad as it gets. I mean, that's pretty much like blowing accounts. Oh, fuck. Horrible. Pissed off. Not the day I want to go to and count and pay 50 grand in taxes. But all right, guys. What the fuck is this? Like, are you kidding me? Like, are you kidding me? How bad can you get the day? Like, there's just nothing worse than getting top ticked. Yeah, I'm just doing estimated hot shots, so I don't have to do that because it's gonna be more than 200 grand this year probably. Oh, it's gonna suck. Turbo S in the freaking tax. I do my business once a year, but trading I want to do quarterly. Bro, chill. What the hell are you even talking about? Do you have no emotions when you trade? No issues with rhythmic, no. Damn. Just got it so wrong on so many levels today. There's the bounce. See how they get you? Like, they got me really good. First, trap me, try to get me to buy here. Then when it finally breaks the support, I short, and now it's the long. I'm gonna have to go for a bigger day. I need a $1,000 day per account in this payout window to get to payouts. Need to be able to buy a bottom like this and add to a winner when there's momentum like this. I mean, I've done it before. It's just I have a meeting with the accountant, so I don't want to. But I've came back from being down 1,000 before. I mean, this is 3 trades really. 2 trades. If I get a trade like this, it's 2 trades, you know, to be break even. So it's not like lost 2 evals, 3 PA accounts. Damn. Yeah, it's been tough. It's not a good morning, low-key, but hey, we're alive and breathing, so I guess it is a good morning, right? I wouldn't really care much for the loss if it wasn't for payouts, you know? But like now I know the payouts are not gonna happen, so if I don't trade out of this hole. So that's the dilemma I have. Do I care about payouts? Do I not care about payouts? I already had a payout from 2 accounts. Now I just went under. All right, Kyle. Please send me your payouts, please. I would love to see your payouts, Kyle. And I would love to see all your green days, please. This shouldn't be happening. Jesus Christ. That's how you know Kyle is a brand new trader or there's something not right. But I'll be waiting, Kyle. Maybe you could finally be the first person to ever say something like that and send me payouts and show me that you have more payouts than me. Would love to see it. Would love to learn from someone that's able to do it. I don't say anything for free. I'll pay you. I'll give you $100. How about that? I'll give you $100 if you send me your payouts. It's his first day here. Kyle, this is my second red day in last 14 trading days. Today's Thursday. Last 2 weeks, and today's Thursday, so 3 weeks if you count tomorrow. 2 red days. And this is your first day in my chat. So you could take your ass, hit this button, and have a great day, okay? Let's do 200. I need half up front. Yeah, that would be your biggest payout ever. The $100 that you will ever get. That's gonna be your biggest payout. Daniel, yeah, I'm just trolling the troll. It's all good. I don't know. I don't think I could trade anymore. I feel like if I can't read the price action, I shouldn't be trading, right? And I don't know what the market wants to do. My dog's going crazy. One sec. Daniel, the problem is payouts. Payouts are due next week. I will not be able to get a payout if I don't, climb out of the hole. I need it. Almost every single day needs to be green. OG, no, please. Oh, I want to take this long. Let's see if it. Let's see what it would. Yeah, would have won probably. 50 ticks is at the high. Yeah, of course that would have won. That sucks, man. This sucks. This sucks. This sucks. This sucks. No, they'll just email them. Oh, I guess let me change something here. I should take care of them. Yep, that was a good, beautiful trade right there. It's just I'm already out of the game, so for me it's tough. Oh, I thought you meant this. This was a nice long right there. Would have been a winner. Would have cut the loss down quite a lot. I take a short. I mean, I've came back from this before. Just I would need like a perfect setup somehow. But the thing is, I don't know how to read the price action say. If we get down to break this low here and it traps, I'm gonna go long. Just gonna say it out loud so that way I do it when it happens. Maybe it's a new leg down. No, this sucks. It's the 13th. It's not Friday the 13th, but it feels like it. Yeah, it has. All right, let's see. John, yes, they do. It's just the Trade of 8 platform itself doesn't have it built in. '20 SMA is just an SMA. It's relevant to every trading instrument, really. Every indicator is the same. It's just an indicator, so depends how you use it. Come on. I said it, chat. I set it up here. If it breaks the lows and it seems finds some kind of support, I'm gonna buy it. Am I still trading? I don't know. I might just be happy with that. That was a beautiful long there. If I would have had more contracts to scale out. The reason for that was we had the higher low here. So I figured it will trap. That was beautiful. I'm happy with that. The yellow line is an all-time high from yesterday. I forget what day it's from. Yeah, it's from yesterday. I don't know if it's actually 6:15. Yeah, it's not actually accurate. I didn't update it since so I'm gonna get rid of it. That was very secure and good trade. Well, it was good because it worked out. It was good also because I didn't chase. Lilu's now saying no copiers allowed. I think Lilu always had something against copy trading, no? Maybe I'm wrong. I just don't understand how Lilu is making money because I don't know anyone using Lilu. I'm down $400 per account on the single accounts, and the double accounts are down 800. So not a good day for me. Lost on both long and short. Oh yeah, Mr. Pushup, of course. Take every single payout you can. Why wouldn't you? We still get approved payouts if we kill the account. Only if you get approved first and the money is out of the account, then yes. I love how like the total is not showing up here. It doesn't want to give me pain. I don't really care. I look at it as down 400 bucks. That's how I said it yesterday too. I'm up 300 bucks. I'm not up whatever it was, 6,000. I'm basically down 100 bucks more than I made yesterday. So it's fine. Today's gonna be a short stream though. I have like 35 minutes left. NQ is a beast indeed. I mean, it's fun to trade, but it's very difficult. How do you keep both the R trader and the QUANTOWER open? When you go to your R trader, you just gotta turn off the market data on it. You won't be able to trade on R trader when you do that. Just turn this off. You won't be able to trade on it, but you'll still see your PNL. Okay. So you're not getting data to both Rhythmic and QUANTOWER. You're just getting data to QUANTOWER, but we'll see what it does when it retests the lows. That might be another chance too long. My QUANTOWER is not copying the Apex and Top Step accounts. Oh. Why not? Alexi, yes, they have 40% consistency, and that's hard 40%. Uh, T-Bow, that's weird. It shouldn't be the case. Make sure make sure your copy trader is turned on. Sounds like it's not turned on. Slate only if it's different connections. So you could trade two firms, one with CQG and one with Rhythmic. So you could do like, you could do Trade of Eight Apex, and you could do Rhythmic Top Step or Rhythmic Ball Knocks, and then you could copy trade between the two, yeah. You're sure the QUANTOWER copy trader is turned on, right? See, T-Bow? Always, it's always user error. So you always got to double check. I've learned the hard way myself. And T-Bow, also make sure you go to the main settings, go to trading protection, and auto limitation is turned off, because if you ever trade more than 10 accounts, this is gonna screw up with the copy trader, because this is usually limited to 10 orders per second. So you're gonna place the order, and then usually it's gonna be a second before the other accounts get. So if you have more than 10 accounts, this has to be turned off. Well, let's see what it does when it retests the lows. Yeah, it's been very good. It's been very good. It should show on the charts, Pedro. I think it should. Come on, let's retest the lows here. If it traps up the lows, I'm going long again. I just hope it doesn't fake me out. Yes, retested lows. Did it bounce? This is also the hourly candle low. June 18th. So next Tuesday. This was some kind of level yesterday because I have an alert on it. Ah. How much did you make, Alexi? Well, you gotta make 4.1K anyway, so I mean, maybe keep it and grow the account. If you did it today, then you could do it again. You make another day for 2,000 and you have nothing to worry about. Wow, what a bounce. Exactly why I wanted, but off the lows. Wanted this bounce off the lows. Be right back. Wow, what a bounce. Big miss. Well, now definitely won't have time for another trade. I don't think it's gonna make it in time. I got 20 more minutes before I gotta go. And one trade like that would just make the day, you know? One trade like that makes the day. Ugh. I need to start going to sleep earlier, guys. I say this every day, but it's bad. Anyone else is a night owl and hates waking up in the morning? I don't know how I get so much energy. Well, at least the good thing is I did not trade my personal account today. Alexi, where are you from again? Is it Russia? Oh, Melbourne. Are you Russian? Zubkov could be nice. You like hockey? It's my favorite sport. Being a sports fan sucks. I have like, out of all the major sports, I have like 10 teams like I would like to win, and none of them ever win. It's great. Guess Real Madrid won the Champions League. That was the only, but uh blur in politics, I don't know. But like in the US, for example, yeah. Like when you talk about the politics, that's different, right? But when it comes to people, like yeah, it's different. Yeah, Panthers in 4. Um Celtics in 4. What a season for the finals. At least Formula One is becoming more interesting. Okay, double top. Nah, Catalina, I don't get into politics. All right, let's see. Pierce Love, yes, I have. They're in my Discord, like the CEO. I mean, it's maybe good, but I just don't see a huge benefit of going live quickly when passing an eval takes 1 day, 1 or 2 days, you know? I'm thinking more about football. Well, Russia is not into big into soccer, and then football. And Poland sucks at soccer, even though that's our national sport. European championships are starting next week. No, they're starting tomorrow. Holy shit. The 14th. I thought that was next week. That's crazy. That's starting tomorrow. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to get in the trade before I gotta go. Come on, make it to the lows. Yeah, Poland's playing on Sunday against the Dutch. And Lewandowski's not playing. He got injured in the friendly. Talk about shit luck. France winning the Euros? Yeah, probably. They need their revenge from the World Cup. I would love for Germany to win. Tony Cruz, his final tournament, one of the best midfielders of all time. Gold has a nice setup, but do I want to take it? Nah, I'm not gonna take gold. I mean, Modric is one of the most underrated players. I mean, he's not underrated really. Tony Cruz is underrated. I don't think Modric is underrated. Beautiful trade on gold, and Alpine does not take it. Just calls it out. Oh. Yeah, he's just... That's why, like, all, like, the balloon doors and all the... You know, everyone forgets, like, the player that does everything, you know? Because it's not on stats sheet. Like, the stat sheet has goals, assists, whatever, but, like, watching the player play and understanding what they do behind the scenes, that's what we like to see. Your trading style is similar to mine. Oh, yeah? Oh, that's good, Gloria. That means you only had one red day in last 3 weeks. 2 red days. That's good then. I just gotta work on my green days to be bigger. I really need to get a green day that's more than 300 bucks. What do you mean that's not true? You don't know what you're saying. Gloria, are you having some fun? Just put up a challenge to go against Dakota. I mean, I think Matt should do it. I think that competitions are not for me. I'm here to make money. I'm not here to compete with someone that I know is good. I could tell you that Dakota is a better trader than most people on YouTube. He's able to go in full size and hold for bigger wins. Am I in NQ right now? No. I'm waiting for the lows. Why would you take the challenge? What's the point? Top Step just wants to use it as advertising. I mean, it's not. Dakota trading with Top Step is really, there's no point. I mean, why is he trading with Top Step? That's a question you should be asking yourself, right? He, unless Top Step has the tax benefits today on the live account. I mean, if you do the math on how, if you were making 600-700K a year, if you do the math on how much you save on taxes when you trade with an actual broker, it's insane. But yeah, I think they pay him way more than he would save on taxes. He should actually be making more money with Top Step than he makes trading. He actually deserves it, you know. He's very calm too, so that helps. Yeah, but that was for how long? How long did he? How long did it take him to make that? No, he said he's taking it out to put in his savings for bills and stuff. He was doing like a spreadsheet talking about it. But it's fine. I don't want to talk about other traders because I don't know. I don't know exactly what they do. I don't watch. I don't have time to watch them. But he should teach Patak how to trade. Why doesn't he teach Patak how to trade? Patak is usually read. So how much did he pull out last year? 1 million between everything? Or did he just get good now? Johnny Waffles, you're gonna learn from so many different sources. You're not gonna find one source that he just started in January. That's weird. But Johnny Waffles, you're gonna if if um there's only one thing that you could learn from trading from other traders. Everyone that is profitable trades differently. There's just there's no secret formula. For some reason, everyone that I know is profitable trades differently from each other. Like there's just no one copying someone else's style or strategy and becoming profitable the same way they are. It's the concepts maybe, but not the strategy itself. Or, like once you go through like a lot of traders who are profitable, you'll see that. It's like this guy's trading differently and they're teaching someone how to trade. And typically they learned on their own. They found something, they found the inefficiency in the market to become profitable. Versus the rookies are trying to learn from everyone else. And it's just like, it's very hard. Yeah, I understand that he's selling the shovels, but it would still look good if he made money if he's actually trading. Otherwise, don't trade on stream. Delinquent? What does that mean? You mean delay? No, there's no delay. I mean, there is a slight delay, but not a lot. I used to trade with no delay, but then I realized I couldn't stream on 1440p. To do no delay, it's got to be 1080p. Well, Justice, appreciate you. Flo Joe, yeah, I mean, that's the thing, you know, trading with a prop firm, you do it because you're not the best trader, right? If I was the best trader, I would not be trading with a prop firm. I would be trading my own money for sure. Whether that's on stocks or futures, I'll be trading my own money because I have the money. I could open a very, very big account if I want. Being underfunded was not a thing for me. Like, that was my excuse the first 3 years of trading. I was like, oh, I'm underfunded. If I would just had the funds, you know, I could trade better. And then my DJ business took off and it didn't make it any easier. Having money does not make trading easier. That is one of the biggest misconceptions out there. That's why if someone like Dakota is getting paid by Top Step, right? It doesn't matter what he's getting paid. It does not affect his trading. And like, he's still, what he's doing is still very difficult. So whether he's getting paid somewhere else or not does not make a difference. To make those trades happen is very, very difficult. That's why a lot of people like that make a lot of money on the internet, they can't actually trade. You would think they would be able to trade. If that was the solution, then man, that would be easy. Want to get funded? A few minutes for the account to be ready to go. So like if you pass today at like 6 p.m., you're gonna get an email. You're gonna pay for it, activate it, and by 7 p.m. you'll have the account. Yeah, that's another thing. People want too much profit right away. I still stand by it. I play with houses money. I mean, I don't know if they want to call it gaming the system. Well, I didn't design it, right? I have to worry about my business too, right? So I got my first payout with TickTick. Use that money to get accounts with Apex. Got payouts with Apex accounts, and ever since then, it's always been money taken out of my bank account that's from payouts, and then more payouts are coming in. So I've never had to touch my DJ money to pay for any of my trading since May of last year, which is, or even my regular trading money from my stock trading. It's a lot different than trading my own account. My personal account, right? If I was up $250,000 in my personal account right now, and I would lose $50,000, well, I lost $50,000. Now I made 250 with the prop firms this year. How long is it gonna take me to lose $50,000? It's gonna take a very, very, very long time, right? So that's the big difference. Once you have payout secured, that money is yours. It's not, you're not risking that money per se like you would do in a real account. Like today I'm down what? I'm down 10 grand. I was down like 15, I guess. Close to 15. If this was one account, that would be pretty hard to look at. But I look at it as $400. I know one of my trades is $250 of profit. So, and I gotta go, guys. I just lost the track of time. I gotta go see my accountant. Oh man, this sucks. This would have been a beautiful long if it just retouched the lows. That's all I needed. All right, guys. I will talk to everyone. I don't think I'm gonna go back on stream today. Yeah, I probably won't, because I have to pick up my niece as well from school. Probably just call it a day. Be happy with ending the day on a win. All right, guys. So be safe out there, and I'll catch everyone tomorrow. We'll do it again. All right. Peace out. Hit the likes on your way out, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Rogue Trader, you spent 10K or more? For me, it was expensive, but now I switched over to lifetime, so it shouldn't be too bad. But as long as you're getting payouts, it's not bad. If you're not getting payouts, then yeah, it gets expensive. Yeah, I did mine for the first 4 months. I spent 17,000. So I at $243,000 in payouts, I had 17,500 in expenses. Now I'm probably close to like 18 and a half, 19,000. Because I bought a bunch of Top Step evals, which unfortunately I lost 2 at TPI this morning. We'll hit the max loss. Yeah, lifetime definitely helps if you're gonna keep them. Like I'm gonna keep these accounts. These are already all these accounts besides this one has been traded. Besides this one has been traded for more than 10 days. I think I'm gonna keep them probably much longer than my average, but I gotta get these over safety net. That's the hardest part, getting them over the safety net, so that way there's no more trailing drawdown, which is hard to do with having small green days. So I really need a bigger green day eventually. That's my dream. Get into a trade, add a contract, have it rip 20, 30 points, and just take $1,000 win. I trade live between 9:45 a.m. till like 2 p.m. depending on my schedule. I don't trade the very open. I don't go live. I trade the open on Bull Knocks, and I typically trade the open on Apex as well, but not the very open. I usually take a trade a little bit after, but today I didn't like anything, so I didn't take it long or short until stream time at 9:45. All right, guys. I'll talk to everyone tomorrow. I gotta go see my accountant and tell her I lost 10 grand today. I'm just kidding. That is the weirdest part. Like, you gotta tell your accountant you made 260,000, whatever it is, in like commissions. It's not real trading. All right, guys. I will talk to everyone soon. No, I'm on the East Coast, New Jersey. All right. I'm sore from the gym too. All right, guys. I'll talk to everyone soon. I'm gonna be late. She's like 15 minutes away, but I don't really have an appointment. Like I called her yesterday to stop by, and then she said whatever time is good. So I said 12. She's like, yeah. So I don't think she's busy today, but I should have said 1 o'clock, but I knew the market was gonna be dead. Well, I didn't know. I've assumed. Usually between 11 and 2 o'clock, it's been dead. So, all right, guys. Be safe. If you're green, keep it. All right, guys. I gotta sign off before I don't sign off and I go on to another rant or discussion. Not a bad day overall. Just bad executions. Bad read, but made 300 bucks yesterday per account, lost 400 bucks today. So first red day of the week. So still very green on the week, and it's fine. Losses are part of the game, and the difference now between and just a month ago, 2 months ago, I did not survive losses, right? Now I'm surviving losses. So I have red days and we move on. We go to the next day with the loss and it's fine. The only difference I want to make is having a little bit more profit on the green days. Don't be so shy when I'm up on the day to take a perfect trade. I don't want to leave, that's for sure. Especially since I'm gonna be paying a lot in tax. I'm gonna probably pay like at least 50,000 in taxes today. Because my income this year is gonna be well over 500 grand, so just want to prepare. It's estimated taxes, right? So you just prepay and then you don't have to pay all at once come April. All right, guys, I'll talk to you. I gotta go. I gotta go. I'm gonna be late. My max payout, it's not coming anytime soon. I want to grow these accounts to, safety net and then start taking consistent payouts every 2 weeks. But I think it's gonna take till like mid-July to do that. So like the second payout in July, that's when I'm gonna be very comfortable with how much I have in the account, hopefully. And then after July, it will be, so July, August, 2 payouts, September, 2 payouts, October, November, December. Still a lot of payouts to do. All right, guys. Peace. Later.